Welcome, today in front of me is ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint scanner here to the scanner on our screen, and I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. Just if you want to unlock the device correct, you should just hold a little bit the scanner here. If you will make it just by this way, just so with the simple touch, you have no chance just to unlock it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.